Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach basic functions. So I have taught in previous lesson the sum, how auto sum works, how easily we can execute the sum in different ways. So today I want to teach you how to use average, max and minimum. We can write ourselves. First of all, I'm going to write myself. We should write the equal sign. You should never forget this one. Average. It appears here. I can double click on this or just press on tab. So after that, I come here and select this area, close the bracket and enter. You can see it is the average. After that, I can drag this down. It automatically do the job. So I just double click on each one. So it looks my function is true. It worked perfect. So the next one, I'm going to find the maximum. I just write equal sign max tab, select the range of the cells, close the bracket and enter. The same way we can do this for minimum. Equal sign min tab, select the cells and close the bracket and enter. So for this one, I can select both of these and just drag this down. You can see all of these work perfectly. You can find it's really easy way. So instead of typing, we have another function. We can do it manually. I delete this one. So I just come here, and when I come here and this drop down icon, I click. You can see we have average, count numbers, maximum and minimum. So from here, like auto sum, I don't need to write an equal sign. I just come here and select, click on one of these. For example, this one is average. There is a problem that this function, they don't understand that which range or columns or cells we want to work on. So it just select the entire numeric value. So I just come here and select this and enter, and also it works for all of them the same. Maximum, it selects the whole, so we don't need these two. I just want these four and enter. Select this one, come here and minimum, and you can see these are all the same. I just need this 4 cells and enter. I can highlight all of these, select all of the 3 and drag it down. You can see it works perfectly. So from here we need the total, whether we can just auto sum one of these and drag from here, or we can select all of this and come here auto sum. It works perfectly. So there is one thing remained here. It's count. We have the count here, count numbers. It's count numbers. With this we can't count the text or blank, so we just can count the numbers. I just come here and write equal sign, count, tab, select and enter. And also I just can select this and I come here, count numbers. The problem is because it's blank cell here, it choose this one, the left side of it. So I don't want this. I just select this and enter. That I can come here and drag it to the right. Yes, today we have learned average, maximum, minimum and count. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.